What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sal here, coming back at you with yet another video. So today we're gonna be doing the Being Boozled challenge with Joe, and he's behind the camera right now, but he'll be in frame in a minute in my room when we switch scenes. So we're just gonna be doing a Being Boozled challenge, and if you guys don't know what that is, you'll find out in a minute. But pretty much it's like a challenge for jelly beans that you like. Each person eats like a jelly bean at the same time, and like there's a chance where it could be like a nasty one, like vomit or like baby diapers or something like that. So yeah, they're pretty disgusting, but the goal is you have to try to chew it and then swallow it. Peace. Alright guys, so we're in my room. This is the Being Boozled challenge right here. This is the box. If you guys never seen it, it'll be in the thumbnail too. So there's 10 flavors. So each of us are gonna try a bean 10 times. Like one, it could be either a good jelly bean or a bad jelly bean, like vomit or whatever, like I said in the intro. But yeah, or like a good flavor, like strawberry or something. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get to it and see what happens. Peace. Alright guys, so we're having trouble to see who goes first, so we're just gonna do rock, paper, scissors, like old school. Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, that's one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, that's not, I'm not going for it. I'm the best at it. Rock, paper, scissors, guys. Okay guys, so it's kind of hard for us to record and do that at the same time and spin it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record Sal spinning it and then record him eating, and he's going to do the same for me. So,
alright, let's do it.
So it's on the red one.
Yeah, it's on the red one.
So that's what is that?
Birthday cake or dirty water, so ooh. It's like white with like dot. Like
I assume that's it then.
Alright. I think it's like birthday cake.
What do you mean you think?
I don't know, it tastes good, so yeah, it's good. So
alright guys, I might just pull the thing I did on Sal's last video with the jalapeno thingy or whatever that shit was. Alright, so I landed on this one, and that is buttered popcorn or rotten egg. I'm scared to eat this. I feel like I'm gonna get the rotten egg and I'm gonna throw up, dude. Fuck.
what was it?
That shit was the rotten egg.
Really?
I couldn't taste that, bro. That shit was so bad. That counts. That counts as a...
Okay. Tutti fruity or stinky socks?
I can't tell you.
I can't. Like at first it was kind of nasty, but it's kind of good now.
Wait, what was it supposed to be? What is it?
Tutti fruity or stinky socks?
Dude, I got a nasty ass taste in my mouth now.
I mean, it tastes good to me as well, dude.
Alright. You better get a decent one. I want some chocolate pudding, yeah. That's the one I really want. There we go. Alright, so strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. I don't know which one it was, you guys. No.
What was it?
Bro, that tastes so bad.
What was it?
It's like cat food, yo.
Strawberry or banana smoothie or dead fish?
The same one I got.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, that's nasty. That was like, oh my god, that's nasty.
that shit tastes so bad. Like,
Yeah,
it smells like cat food, bro.
Yeah.
Like the smell matches the taste.
Is there cat food on it?
No, but just like the smell matches the taste, though. Okay. Berry blue or toothpaste. I wouldn't mind either of those, honestly, because toothpaste really can't taste that bad. It's toothpaste. Now that bad taste is on my mouth, though.
Yeah.
That's looking good. I like it. On the
Yeah. Tutti Frutti or stinky socks?
wait, what is it supposed to be?
Tutti Frutti? Or no, it tastes like bubble gum or something.
You guys, look at it. I remember I've been trying to get Sada to grow his beard up for the longest time. He finally did. So, do you see those other videos or pictures of you without it?
I know we only bit like I guess 4th time.
Okay, so birthday cake or dirty dishes?
Dirty dishes?
Dude, that shit tastes worse than the fucking cat one.
What was that, dirty dishes?
Yeah.
So birthday cake or dirty dishwater? Same thing, you just got.
Oh, dishwater. I said dishes. I can't tell if he thinks it's good or bad,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah. Yeah, it tastes like. I don't know how to explain it, but that was nasty.
Yeah, I didn't know how to explain it yet. It just sounded like gross. No way. Okay, I don't say that's perfect. You'll know when you edit.
Yeah. I'll just say it's the right one.
Which is?
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food. Yeah.
Give it to Zeus now. Go give one to Zeus.
Maybe after.
Been waiting too long. I must guess the red one. Alright. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food, bro? I'm trying to chew it.
You keep getting all the bad ones.
That's what I'm saying, dude. I can't get a single good one. They're so gross in my mouth, yo.
Strawberry or banana smoothie.
That's the only one we're
Strawberry
getting.
banana smoothie or dead fish. Yeah, that's good.
This makes no sense. How am I bro, all of the ones I've got were so bad.
That's strawberry banana for sure.
Okay. Strawberry. Holy shit, dude. I swear, if this is nasty again, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, that one's hella good. That's just hella good.
What is it, strawberry banana?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's one we haven't gotten yet.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bag?
It better be a stink bag, but I'm gonna be mad if you get marshmallow.
Yeah, that's just bag.
What does it taste like, Sal?
Stink bag or whatever.
What's a stink bag, though?
I don't know, like garbage, stinky garbage.
I better get a really good one. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Okay, I got another good one. It's Tutti Frutti.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwater? It's dirty dishwater for sure. That one I had that was dirty dishwater. That was disgusting too, but it was, I don't know. That was nasty.
Fuck, that hurt, yo. Just fucking myself. Alright. Toothpaste or blueberry. I don't care. Either one, I win. It's blueberry. I was expecting toothpaste. I wanted my breath to smell good. Alright guys, just in case, I think we might have stopped recording on accident, but we're like on the 10th round right now.
Yeah, the last round. And I spun on a juicy pear or booger.
Hopefully we didn't lose all that footage.
Yeah, that's nasty. It's not booger, but it's something nasty. I don't know. Oh, that was nasty.
Alright, this better be a good one. Alright. Peach or barf, yo.
Barf?
Bro, I thought I was going to for a second. Like, it smells so bad too. Like, I could like smell all the ones we spit out. Like, it stinks hella bad.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of Yoboi Sal and Joe, which is out of the camera.
Alright guys, I'm gonna be posting a video in like 3 weeks.
So yeah, stay tuned for that, I guess. So make sure I'll leave a link to his channel. This has been your boy Sal. I'm out. Peace.
Is that all of them, sir?
Yeah.
1,
Alright guys, this
2,
is all of them.
3. All of them, bro. Chew. Chew, dude, chew. Chew. Chew all of them, don't spit it out. Put more in your mouth.
I can't do it. Alright, that's it.